Hello, this is Nelda from Gift Elements, and today we're going to show you how to decorate a plain white favor box simply with gift tags. And we've got this really lovely blue periwinkle and white periwinkle gift tags that you can purchase off our online store at store.giftelements.com. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to attach the rosebud to the back of the tag using a sticky tape. Just going to take the short end of the ribbon and I'm going to make a loop like that. Okay, and I'm going to just place this into the back of the gift tag. And I'm going to just bring the string over and into the loop. Okay, so you have this sort of knot. I believe this is called the sailor's knot. Okay, and then after that you can start to tie the ribbon onto the box. So I'm just going to place the ribbon across the box like this, and I'm going to bring the long end over and to the other side. And then this long end, I'm going to put it through from the underside of the gift tag through the hole. So from here, I can choose to, just finish this off with a 2-loop bow, right? But in this case, I'm going to crisscross and bring the ribbon, the long side of the ribbon over the other side. And again, when this long end reaches the top, I'm going to just place it through the hole from the underside of the gift tag. So that secures the gift tag entirely onto the box. And I can now secure everything with a normal 2-loop bow. So just tie it off like this. Let's just cut off the strings. And then you have this cute little white, which started off as a white plain box, but now you have a fully decorated box. If you like this video, please subscribe to us, Gift Elements, and do visit our store at store.giftelements.com.